Are you sitting up, PJ? All by yourself? He did it for the first time himself. I think 4 days ago, 4 or 5 days ago. I'm over here. You want to come? Careful, you alright?
It's coming.
You're coming and you slipped on the tile. Did you say hi to the camera? Oh. Plop. PJ fell over. No, he's playing with the block there.